So this is the scene without the stick-on protector apply. So I'm just going to walk around. Right now the sun, it's about perpendicular, which is like on top here. Just gonna walk around this really beautiful bridge. So I'm about at the center. I'm going to like turn around. I'm going to point the camera directly to the sun to check whether there is any sun glare. So this is now with the stick-on screen protector on. I will try to mimic what I've done just now. And the sun has obviously risen slightly, so the location is different. Right now I'm going to walk towards the center of the bridge. It's very, very bright. At the center of the bridge, turn around, you can see the sun. Also, for editing, you can now right click on the source setting on the clip, and you can see there right now they have this additional 360 sticky mod option. All you need to do is select and confirm. Hope this short clip is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.